Hi Sam. I'm just recording this video to show you the process that I'm going to take to change around your menu structure a little bit. Now this is the third attempt that I've made at this because every time I've gone to start I've changed my mind on the best way to do this without breaking existing links or just being complex in terms of having to copy content from one page to another. So hopefully this is it. I'm going to go through the process. I just want to preface this by saying ordinarily, you probably don't need to worry about doing this. You could always reach out to us. This is a bit of a complex one because you've already got links out there that we don't want to break. But hopefully this just helps you also to see the process that we go through, how we decide about the aliases that we're going to use and how the menu structure comes together, just in case that's not already clear for you. So just to be clear, we've got the existing menu up here for travel, which is just going to /travel. We're going to change it so that underneath this menu we actually have an upcoming page and the FAQ page. Now that upcoming page needs to have the contents that we have here on the /travel page right now. So I'm going to do that using a redirect and I'm going to have a little interim period where actually this top level menu will be called upcoming. I think that's fine because we could do all of this without any time of that on the live site, but it'll be maximum of a minute or two anyway, so, and it's not going to break anything. So I'm going to jump into the index here. I'm on my dashboard. You might notice we've added a bit of extra information on this dashboard. If there's anything else that you think will be handy for quick links and the like, then just let us know because we're constantly trying to improve on this and grow. So I'm going to go straight into the page manager. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this existing travel page and I'm actually going to make this my upcoming travel page. So I'm going to change the title to upcoming and I'm going to call it upcoming retreats. Now just a little bit of information if you didn't already realise, I've already got a title here of upcoming retreats, so I'm assuming that that's what we want our slug to be as well. If I remove that and then tab out of it, it will actually work it out based on the name. But I'm going to go upcoming retreats just for a little bit more SEO power as well. So this is currently a top level page and I'm fine with that for right now. But the point is that this has all of our content already for the travel. So I'm going to click save. So right now in our site, if I refresh, that top level now is going to be upcoming. Now I'm going to add a new page and I'm going to call it travel. I'm going to give it a title of travel and I'm going to use that alias that we had of travel. And I'm actually going to write this as a redirect to the /upcoming retreats. Actually, I think I can do travel/upcoming retreats and that hierarchy does work. So this is a top level item. I'm going to make this live and I'm going to include this in the menu. I don't need to set anything else here because this page is never going to actually be displayed. It's always going to redirect to that URL. And just to be clear, the only reason I'm setting up this URL here for this top level menu item is because we want existing pages, existing links out there to work. So if I just click save now. Now, as of right now, I'm just also going to move this up in the menu structure. And my internet is a little bit slow because not only am I recording this right now, which is going, I believe, up to the cloud as I speak, but my husband's also on a video call. So apologies for the speed here. Okay, so now I have the travel up here, and these are the two items upcoming in FAQ that I'm going to move. So now if I go into each of these, sorry, I need to, not that one, I need to go into upcoming. And I'm going to change the parent menu on this to be travel. And it's live in the menu, live and in the menu. And I'm going to do the same for the FAQ. I'm going to edit its parent page to be travel. And this was not included in the menu before so that we could test it. I'm going to make it live in the menu now. And
yeah,
save.
so we've actually had an issue where...
Okay, so now I have the menu structure that I want. And if I come here and refresh this page, I should have a travel menu at the top, and if I click on it, I get upcoming and FAQ. And if I go into that, that takes me to the travel/upcoming retreats. And also for existing links, if I just go to /travel, it will do a redirect for me. I've run out of Loom video time. I hope that helps.